This is the best low-end editing software for PCs. So first, it's called Capcut, and you can find it by going to your search bar. And now I'm just loading the software. And to download it, you want to go into Chrome and you want to search Capcut download. It's a very simple process. I'll leave the link in the description below, and you want to click on that link. As you can see, it is an official website by Capcut. In the top right corner, you want to click download. If you're using Chrome, the download will appear on your top right. And click download. Very simple, very straightforward. And there we go. Run that and install. Then you can see a whole software pop up. Capcut, this is Capcut. And free editing software. You can see I'm busy downloading the update. And this is how it looks. So you see there, it says the create project and it says sign in. And these are all my projects that I've made. I'm editing this video using Capcut just to show how powerful it is. If you have a low-end PC like I do, you can change the grid to list and to various ones to so forth. So I'll show you like a basic example. And I clicked on one of my videos that I've made and it is loading. So this video I've deleted, but if you make a new video, it will pop up like this. And there we go. So this is just mine. Ignore the deleted media. It is a video that I deleted off my file, off my computer. And you can drag. These different options, as you can see. There's video, audio, text, these stickers, there is effects, there is transitions and so forth, and in each different category there is different settings to play with. So feel free to download the software, and it is very simple. However, if you want to use more professional software, use DaVinci Resolve, use even Lightweight, use Microsoft Movie Maker, but this is just a video of explaining a very easy and lightweight software you can use, such as Capcut. Capcut is available for Mac, PC, for Mac, Windows and Linux, and also for mobile. To download it, just search Capcut and you see the Capcut system requirements. And there we go. So Windows 10 or higher, Intel Core i3, 4GB of RAM and at least 2GB of storage. So it is not as bad as we have thought. But yeah, and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.